Welcome back to Cock Channel. Here's a super easy tutorial for making stitch with pipe cleaners. Let's make it together. Cut a pipe cleaner in half and cross the two pieces to make the head frame. Twist tightly to secure. Bend the wire ends. Use hot glue to secure the joints. Then adjust the frame so the top is narrower and the bottom is wider. Wrap the pipe cleaner around the frame one loop at a time, securing it with hot glue. Keep applying glue and wrapping until the frame is fully covered. Use hot glue to connect another pipe cleaner, then keep wrapping until the frame is covered. When you're almost finished, add some stuffing inside. When finished, it should look like this. Cut a pipe cleaner in half to make the body frame. Twist tightly to secure, then bend the wire ends. Apply glue and connect the wire ends together. Take another pipe cleaner and keep gluing and wrapping until the frame is fully covered. Once finished, apply glue and attach the two frame pieces together. Make an ear frame like this, then fold and wrap the pipe cleaner around it loop by loop. Trim off the excess pipe cleaner. Make 2 ears, then glue them in place. Fold a short section of pipe cleaner, then fold it back and forth several times. Wrap the remaining pipe cleaner around the outside to form an arm. Make 2 arms, then glue them in place. Fold a short section, then continue folding it back and forth. Wrap the remaining pipe cleaner around the frame to make the leg thicker. Make 2 legs, then glue them in place. Use a light blue pipe cleaner to make the belly. Measure the right size, then fold it to cover the frame. Trim off the excess, curve it into shape, then glue it in place. Measure the right size for the mouth. Apply glue and attach it along the measured area. Use pink pipe cleaner for the inside of the ears. Make 2 pieces, then glue them in place. Roll one end of a pipe cleaner into a circle to make an eye. Make 2, then glue them in place. Add 2 fabric eyes. Roll a black pipe cleaner in the same way to make the nose. Trim off the excess, then glue it in place. Roll a blue pipe cleaner like this to make the tail. Apply glue and attach it. Fold a pipe cleaner into 3 pointed sections, trim them with scissors, then glue it in place. And our stitch is finished. So cute, right? Give it a try.